Yeah, use your hand to get her to do whatever.
Come here.
And then snap it.
That dog's on cocaine.
Jason. Get her ball. She loves that damn ball.
I like the colors on this thing.
Get your ball. Oh yeah, you're so tough and scary. Why do you keep hiding over here?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That hand. That paw.
Oh, you're barking at me now? Yeah.
Ooh, watch mine, man. Flip her lid here.
Sure.
Easy tag.
Yeah.
Like this to her.
Yeah.
Drives her nuts. You go like this.
Yeah.
She thinks you got paws and she tries to come after you.
Oh, now you want it when I'm walking away, coward. I'm done. Love you, Shiloh. Gonna miss you. Hopefully you have
She'll have a lot more fun.
more fun. Huh?
She'll have a lot more fun with Myrna.
Getting you and
Myrna owns a home.
getting you and her in the mix.
Not
Say,
right for her just to be on my bed all the time because she can't be on the floor.
tell her you love her though. So I'll get on camera.
She don't give a shit
Mom.
if I love her or not.
Just tell her. Say I love you, Shiloh.
Love you, Shiloh.
Yeah.
Miss ya.
Because this will be a video.
Free and fun.
Yeah. This will be a video we can look back on. We both said it. We love her. She's an adorable little munchkin. Love you.
You got a lot of crap to talk now.
Yeah.
When I do this to her, her fingers start going to her. There goes paws.
At least she don't bite hard, you know. She knows not to bite hard.